Don't blink, or this ghost might disappear. Let's draw it quick, before it's out of here. Let's start with a magical ellipse. Don't worry, it's not a spooky spell. It's the base for our friendly ghost. Now, the first arm that is trying to scare you, before we can draw a line to give our ghost a head. Then we'll just keep going with the other hand. Maybe this one's saying, "Hey, I'm ready for a high five." Now we can slide down and finish the bottom half. Our ghost is floating, so no legs needed. Just a swooshy, spooky cape. Finally, let's give him 2 big eyes and a small nose, like he's super surprised. Now let's grab our marker. It is time to shine. Trace the ghost's head, make it round and fine. With one arm up high, he's ready to play, waving to us all as he floats on his way. Now for the other arm, let's make it sway. This ghost loves to dance, in a spooky ballet. Swoop down for the bottom, let it float free, like a gentle breeze, or a leaf from a tree. Big eyes wide open, what a spooky surprise. With a dot for his nose, oh look at him rise. Now let's pick some colors to make him stand out. What hues will you choose to make him hang out? My version turned out super spooky cool. And for you Scribble peeps, there are more fantastic free videos waiting for you at scribblepeeps.com. Bye.